Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change keyboard language in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to general management. And here select Samsung keyboard settings and click on languages and types, and here select manage input languages, and here turn on the language that you want to be add in the keyboard. Okay, here I would like to add Tamil. Okay, where is Tamil? Is Tamil supported? I am searching for Tamil language here. Yes, turn on the button against Tamil. In this similar way, turn on the button against a desired language. Okay, I turn on against Malayalam, then Korean. Totally 4 languages are available as of now. Then this language, but maximum number of supported language reached. Okay, that means only you can use 4 languages in the keyboard. Okay, already English available and I have selected 3 more, so you cannot add more. Okay, more than 4. Okay, suppose if you want to add another one, you have to turn off the previous one and then you have to choose another one. Okay, yes, 4 languages have been added. So to use this language in keyboard, go to keyboard interface, typing interface, and here English is available. Okay, you can type in English like hello. Okay, I typed. Suppose if you want to use another language that you have added like Tamil and other language, just click on this global symbol, click here, and another language is appear, that is Tamil is appearing, and I here just type Ana, Avanna, Nana, Pana, Dana, Yana. So whatever you want from this language you can type. Okay, finally click. I just selected the suggested word. Helicopter மூலமாக I got selected like this. Okay, so you can use your language that you dislike. Okay, suppose if you want to use another language that you added, again you have to press this global symbol and it will now change to Malayalam. I type in Malayalam now. Okay, if you again click, another language will appear. Okay, so in this way you can easily switch between language using this global symbol. Okay, so in this way you can easily add language and use the language for Samsung keyboard. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.